What's up, party people? Me and Leigh Ann are starting 75 Hard tomorrow. Another in a series of endless attempts to streamline our lives. Leigh Ann is really into it. I think I'm less excited about it. It's about mental toughness, apparently. It's not so much about a workout or a diet or any of that shit. It's about getting that mind right and consistent and going for the gusto. Now, I already do that quite often. I do have a lot of determination. There's a lot of gusto and motivation right inside of this thing. But, she wants to do it, and I definitely could make improvements in my life. There's things to work on. So we're going to do it together. It starts April 1st. We love a new day, a new month, a new beginning. The first day pod, the first day of the rest of our lives. So here we go. I'll keep you posted on how it goes. It starts now. See ya.